Now, coterminal angles. What's a coterminal angle? It's the given angle plus or minus 360. So coterminal angle, basically, if you have an angle, let's say right here, and it is 250 degrees. That's the 270 there, that's the 90. So coterminal angle, basically what it means as you keep on going around and you get here, you tell me what the angle is. If you could go one more round and tell me what that is, you could go more round and tell me what that is. So you just keep on adding 360, and then you add the 360 and you add 360. There are an infinite number of coterminal angles. So 50 could be 360 plus 150, it's 410, and then you add another 360 and add another 360, and it just keeps on going. It doesn't stop. So infinite amount of coterminal angles. Also, coterminal angles could be expressed in negative as well. So we could go this way, and then if I want to find what this angle is, I just go, it's 360 or I could go 250 minus 360 degrees, and that will give me what the angle is in the negative direction. And then whenever you get that angle, so here it's going to be a negative 110. If you want to find another coterminal angle, means you're going around in the negative direction, clockwise, just minus another 360, and that will give you a negative 470. And you could just keep on minusing 360s, and it'll give you all the coterminal angles as you go around, but there are infinite amount of coterminal angles that you have to find. So basically, if we're finding the coterminal angle for 50, coterminal angle for 50. So to say we want to find one negative and one positive. So the positive one would be 50 plus 360, which is 410 degrees. Or we could, the negative coterminal angle would be 50 minus 360 degrees. And that would be negative 310. Also, if I want to find more, I could just add the 360 to this one, add minus 360 from this one, and continue. You'll be able to find as many as you want. For the 240, the coterminal angles will be 240 degrees plus 360 will give you 700. That's one coterminal angle. Also, you could go 240 minus 360 degrees, and that will give you negative 120. So that's another coterminal angle. Again, you could add 360 to this. You could still minus 360 from this and continue. This is what the coterminal angle is. Till next time, lesson 2. I'll see you soon.